In this video, I'll show you how to change currency in Phantom Wallet. Changing the currency in Phantom Wallet lets you view your balance in a different local currency, such as US dollars, euros, British pounds, or another supported currency. This does not sell, convert, or move your crypto. It only changes how the estimated value is displayed. First, open Phantom Wallet on your phone or browser extension. Make sure you are logged in and using the correct wallet account. From the main wallet screen, look for your profile icon, menu icon, or settings option. On mobile, this is usually near the top of the screen. On desktop, you may need to click the menu or settings icon. Next, open Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for an option called Currency, Display Currency, Preferred Currency, or something similar. The exact wording may be slightly different depending on your Phantom version. Tap or click the currency option. Phantom should show a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list or use the search option if it is available. Choose the currency you want to use. For example, select USD if you want your wallet balance shown in US dollars. Select EUR if you want euros, or GBP if you want British pounds. After choosing the new currency, go back to the main wallet screen. Your portfolio value and token values should now appear in the currency you selected. If the currency does not update right away, refresh Phantom, close and reopen the app, or check for an update. Remember, your actual crypto balance stays the same. If you hold SOL, you still hold SOL. Phantom is only changing the display value. Also, crypto prices change often, so the displayed amount is only an estimate. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.